win the validation, vindication for Alex Palou. He has won the Indianapolis 500. The three-time IndyCar champion Alex Palou making history to win yesterday's Indy 500, just like what the Super Bowl star told us he was hoping for.
I was talking to Alex Palou yesterday from Spain, who has never won the Indy 500, but he has won plenty of the other championships.
What a fight coming in today.
And I'm cheering for him to win today because he was such a humble guy. He was such a great guy, and he taught me so much about the sport.
And joining us now on the heels of that very exciting Indy 500 winners, congratulations to Alex Palou. Thank you so much for giving us the 500 this morning.
Thank you so much, guys, for having me once again.
So, Alex, you got the reputation of being this humble guy. You heard it from Grump himself. He was like the life of the party and was cheering you on, and you made it happen, man. How does it feel?
Thank you. Yes, meeting Grump was amazing, honestly. It was also a dream that I had, but honestly, yesterday was an amazing day. My car, my team were amazing. They gave me everything I needed to win, and it feels so nice to finally be called an Indy 500 champion. The fans were amazing. So yeah, it's been a wonderful couple of hours since we first had started.
Wait, how do you mentally focus for a race like that? Take us through your process.
I mean, that's what we do for our job, but honestly, yesterday was tough. There's like 350,000 plus people on the stands. There's a lot of pressure. We only get these one chance to start Super Bowl. We only get that opportunity. We need to wait a full year to try and get another one. And then we had some rain delays. We had a lot of emotions at the beginning. It was tough getting to rhythm, but I don't know, everything was working for us yesterday. Like the strategies, the big starts, small cars, so it was quite easy to stay calm.
So you got 350,000 plus fans, the largest sports venue on the planet. What's it like to get out of your car and like celebrate in front of like more than 250,000 people?
So you got to see or hear a little bit when I was inside the car screening and just saying yes. That was the exact moment when I lost my voice. Then I could feel it. But then this moment that I just did right now when I stepped out of the car, it was just amazing. Like just think that I've been in the car for like 3 hours or 4 hours and a half. Just listening to myself, the engine, and it was great to hear the roar of the dance. And yeah, you can see how it's very, very happy to see my team running through.
So Alex, I gotta ask you, when I play basketball, I know if I'm having a good day, so this is gonna win this competition. Did yesterday feel different? Did you, when you woke up, it's like, this is the day? Or was it just like a normal day?
So the beginning of the day was just normal. There's times that I feel like, man, our car is so good and I'm feeling so well that it's gonna be our day. Yesterday I felt good, but I didn't really feel that it was gonna be the Indy 500 day, because as soon as I stepped into the car, I was like, man, this would be the last time that I step into a car without being an Indy 500 champion, and today we can change that. So yeah, honestly, it's amazing, like I said, and it's gonna be one of my best days in life for me.
Well, and you've come close before, but you got it this weekend. So congratulations. We're all so happy for you.
Well done, Alex.
And setting a great example with being so
and
humble.
You bravely drank the milk. Very impressed.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thanks,
Thank you
Alex.
for having us.
Take care. Congratulations.
So before we go, in honor of Memorial Day,